Ang problema na lang natin ay hindi mapigilan yung pag-inom niya ng Coke Zero. Bago ako umalis, binilhan ko siya ng 4 na Coke Zero. Nag-iwan ako doon ng 4 na Coke Zero. Bumili ako para sa kanya at sinabi ko na once a day yan. Kasi ang grocery mo will come sa Wednesday. Ang grocery list mo will come sa Wednesday. So, once a day yung 4 na Coke Zero na iniwan ko sa'yo. At sabi niya, bakit? Sabi niya, bakit? Once a day lang ang Coke Zero ko. So, sabi niya, 3 beses daw kumakain araw-araw, breakfast, lunch, dinner. So, at least daw 2 cans of Coke Zero a day. So, I know, right? So, sabi ko sa kanya, okay, babalik naman kasi ako sa Monday kasi meron akong schedule sa'yo. So, 4 yan, gawin mo na lang 2 bukas, 2 sa Monday. And then, pagdating ko, bilhan na naman kita ng bagong stock mo ng Coke Zero. Yes, and then sabi niya wala namang problema sa Coke Zero kasi wala naman itong sugar, so wala itong problema sa So, yes, I know. And then I said na, yes, it doesn't have sugar but it has sugar substitute, so we have a problem with carcinogens and then we will deal with cancer. Yeah. Sabi niya, I'll deal with cancer when it comes. I have diabetes, I'll deal with cancer when it comes. So,
he's so brave.
So right now, yes. So right now, I'm just keeping him comfortable, letting him, asking him to adjust to the ways inside and asking him to observe the other detainees and how they do things so that he knows how the system works inside. And then, well, yes, yun lang naman ang niya, ang kanyang damit. Sabi niya, ipadala daw yung maleta niya na nasa akin. So, ipadala yon. Ang kanyang Coke Zero, make sure na merong unlimited supply ng Coke Zero. And then, he